Welcome back to my channel. Today topic is daily habits to improve your health. If you want to improve your health, you need to follow some steps. Step number 1. Start your day hydrated. Start your day with a glass of water. Rehydrate your body and kickstart your metabolism after hours of sleep. Keep a glass or bottle of water by your bed as a reminder. Adding a slice of lemon can enhance hydration and provide a refreshing start to the day. Step number 2 is morning movements. Wake up your body with 5 to 10 minutes of light exercise or stretching. It boosts your circulation and energy, including yoga, light cardio, or a quick walk outside. Consistent morning movement can improve your flexibility and mood. Step number 3. You need to plan your day. Set your daily priorities or write affirmation to focus your mind and stay productive throughout the day. Write down 3 things you are grateful for to cultivate a positive mindset. Use tools like bullet journals or digital planners to stay organized. Step number 4. Stay active throughout the day. Move often, walk, stretch, or take active breaks to counteract long periods of sitting. Aim for 10,000 steps a day or 30 minutes of activity. Try to setting a timer to remind yourself to stand or move every hour. If working from home, consider short workout or stretching breaks. Step number 5. Eat for energy. Choose nutrient-dense foods. Balance your meals with veggies, healthy fats, and lean proteins. Start your day with a protein-packed breakfast to stay fully longer. Limit processed snacks. Opt for fresh fruits, nuts, or yogurt instead. Meal prep on weekends to make healthy choices easier during busy days. Step number 6. Stay hydrated all day. Drink water consistently throughout the day. Aim for at least 8 glasses or more if active. Use a reusable water bottle to track your intake. Infuse your water with the fruits or herbs for a refreshing taste. Step number 7. Prioritize mental health. Start your day with 5 minutes of deep breathing or guided meditation. Journaling can help process emotions and reduce stress. Regularly connect with friends or family to boost happiness. Step number 8 is sleep well. Stick to sleep schedule. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of restful sleep each night. Establish a calming bedtime routine like reading or warm bath. Avoid caffeine and heavy meals before bed. Use blackout curtains or white noise machine for better sleep quality. Step number 9. Consistency. Small consistent habits lead to big result. Stay committed and be patient with yourself. Celebrate small wins to stay motivated. Track your progress using a habit tracker or app. Remember, it's about practice, not perfection. Start building these habits today and make your healthiest year. Like, share, and subscribe for more health tips.